Hello Travelers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is a kind of 3-in-1 phone charger for Apple phones and watches. And you can also charge your AirPods on this one here. Now it's got a lot of magnets in it, so you can magnetically clip the top part like this, and you can flip it over and charge your watch and your phone at the same time. Now ZEERA did send me this case along with this iPhone 13 mini case, which fits my iPhone 13 mini like this. And they also sent me this rather hefty and nice braided charging cable, which plugs into the Usb-C port here. So it is charged, it is powered by Usb-C, which is good. And you can use that single cable to charge theoretically your phone, and in this case, my Apple Watch, which is the two main things that I would be charging. I don't know if you can see that, but the phone is charging and the watch is also charging. But I did notice previously when I did try to charge both of them at the same time, occasionally my watch would kind of go in and out of being charging, and it would kind of go on and off, and it would sort of start and restart charging. So that is something to note. I think it might have something to do with the power cable that you're using. So if you're using the one that came with it, you might not have this problem. I was using a different one at that time, so that might have been the case. Now the other thing is, it does wobble around a bit. You can charge it as well, folded in. If your watch has a full strap that comes off, you could charge it like that. But I like to charge it like this, so if it's next to your bed, you can kind of see as you're charging. Now, it is a little bit wobbly, even on a stable surface. It's just the nature of this being made of magnets. If you wanted it to be more stable, you could always just unfold it like so, and then it becomes quite nice and stable. On the retail images, they show this one as being used for your AirPods, but my girlfriend just put it on here, and it actually does charge other phones as well, but I think it charges a bit slower than this one. This is the faster charging pad. Now, it does have these lights here, and I'm not sure what it means, because sometimes it's red and sometimes it's blue. I guess it means when something's on there charging, it turns blue. If there's nothing charging on it, it turns red. I think that's what it means. I'm not totally sure what those lights mean, but if anyone in the comments knows, do let me know. The case that they sent me is this one here. It's specifically for the iPhone 13 mini. And you can see it's quite nice. It fits it very well, and the buttons all work as well. You can easily fit. It also does fit the iPhone 12 mini, which is my girlfriend's phone. She's actually been using it for the past couple of weeks. And yeah, it does use all the correct locations for the holes and everything. So very smooth, not slippery. You can put it on surface and it won't slide off. And it does line up the case nicely as you use it for charging. Now, one good thing about this as well is that when you are done charging, you can just go ahead and unplug everything, and it magnetically folds and holds together in this very nice, neat little package here. So that is very good, and I can see it being, great for just chucking your bag while you're traveling, and, just keeping it on hand if you need like a backup charger. It's also the particular layout of it makes it really great for putting it, on the side of your bed in hotels, for example. You can just charge your phone and watch. You can see your watch time, and, keeps it upright as well. So I should mention finally though, it is a very nice charging case, but it does charge a little bit slower than usual. So my iPhone here charging, and then my watch here charging, both of the items charge a little bit slower than if you're using the actual official iPad charging pads. So the phone will charge slightly slower than the official one, and the watch will also charge slightly slower than the official one. But overall, for the convenience of having such a nice folding little package, I think it is quite nice. There are a lot of other options available. This particular one is from the brand ZEERA. So do go ahead and check the links in the description if you're interested. Thanks so much for checking it out, and I'll see you next time.